Today I'm sharing my super simple everyday makeup routine, quick, natural, and perfect for any day. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First step, primer. I'm using the Inside Glowy Primer. It makes the base smooth and gives that fresh natural glow. Today, I am not using full foundation, just a BB cream, or you can use a skin tint. Perfect for any day look. Color correcting time. I am using the Inside Brown Color Corrector for my under eyes. If your dark circles are deeper, use orange, and for any redness, use green. Now concealer in my exact shade. I let it sit for a bit so it gets more coverage. Meanwhile, let's do the eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm just brushing and setting them, not filling too much. Okay, time to blend the concealer. Tapping gently. I don't contour my nose every day, but I'm showing you how to do it. Take a brown contour from the inside palette, draw two parallel lines, a small horizontal line, and an upside down triangle on the tip. Apply concealer in the center and on the tip. Let it set. For blush, I am mixing a Swiss Beauty cream blush with a little primer. This gives soft natural glow. Applying on my cheeks and a tiny on my eyelids too makes the face look fresh. Now I am blending the nose contour. You can use a brush or a blender, whatever you prefer. Using a brown blush on my eyelids to add a soft smoky effect. Next, kajal. I honestly don't remember where I bought it from, but it works really well. I am using the same kajal as eyeliner, drawing a thin line and smudging it with my fingers. So easy, right? Applying a setting powder under my eyes to keep everything in place. My favorite part, inner corner highlighter, makes the eye pop instantly. I
Like it.
now
I
a mascara.
like it.
I honestly feel incomplete without a mascara. My lipstick video got deleted, but I just used a brown lip liner, nude lipstick, and a little gloss. And we are done. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.